Dreaming of a tropical escape? Let's bring the sunshine to your kitchen with coconut-soaked lime cake. This cake bursts with zesty lime and creamy coconut, like a vacation on a plate. We'll soak it in a luscious coconut mixture for incredible moisture, then finish with a tangy lime glaze. It's simple, quick, and perfect for any occasion. Summer BBQ, potluck, or just a sweet pick-me-up. The aroma alone will transport you to paradise. So, roll up your sleeves and let's bake a little sunshine together. Get ready for a slice of tropical bliss. Here's what you'll need for the cake. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, zest, 1/4 cup of juice from 1 large lime, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. For the coconut soak, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of canned coconut milk, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract. For the lime glaze, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2-3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Make sure your egg and buttermilk are at room temperature for best results. If you don't have buttermilk, mix 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar into 1/2 cup milk and let sit for 5 minutes. That's it. Simple ingredients, big tropical flavor. Let's get mixing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease an 8x8-inch pan. In a bowl, whisk flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, combine egg, buttermilk, lime juice, melted butter, and lime zest. Fold wet ingredients into dry until just combined. Don't overmix. Gently stir in shredded coconut. Pour batter into the pan and smooth the top. Sprinkle extra coconut on top if you like. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell like a tropical dream. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, whisk together sweetened condensed milk, and coconut extract for the soak. Poke holes all over the warm cake with a fork or skewer. Slowly pour the coconut soak over the cake, letting it absorb fully. Let the cake sit for at least 30 minutes to soak up all that tropical goodness. This step makes the cake extra moist and flavorful. Be patient, the wait is worth it. Now let's finish with a zesty glaze. For the glaze, whisk powdered sugar with lime juice until smooth and pourable. Drizzle over the cooled, soaked cake and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. Top with toasted coconut and extra lime zest for a beautiful finish. Slice and serve, delicious on its own or with whipped cream or ice cream. Store leftovers tightly covered at room temperature for 2 days or in the fridge for up to 5. This cake is pure tropical happiness, easy enough for any day. Enjoy every bite and let the flavors take you on a mini vacation. Be sure to check out this video for more.